Hello and good morning, students. Hope you are all doing well. The last class we discussed about media and also impact of media and how media is highlighting the issues which are less important to the society. At the same time, how media is also involved in money, means those news are highlighted where the commercial objectives is seen. For example, people of Mumbai, they were suffering because of lack of water as well as demolition of slum in Mumbai. But instead of highlighting this problem of common man, people not having safe drinking water, but instead of highlighting the issues, they started highlighting a fashion show in a very popular media. So what it all says that even media, there is no equality. That means media also highlights only those things which they got commercial value. Otherwise, even the media is not interested to highlight the common man's or general public interest. Now let us see a storyboard of local media. Recognizing that media will not be interested in covering small issues that involves ordinary people and their daily lives. Several local groups have come forward to start their own media. So local news they decided to have their own media. Several people use community radio to tell farmers about the price of different crops and advise them on the use of seeds and fertilizers. Now when we speak about community radio, what do you mean by community radio? Means a particular radio channel which is used for a dedication for the improvement of a particular community. For example, if you switch on radio, the few programs are only dedicated to farmers regarding crop plantation, how to use manure, but pesticides, insecticides, or how to get the maximum harvest and all those things. Other make documentary films with fairly cheap and easily available video cameras on real life conditions. So what are the other things they do? On the real life condition, they make videos by the different communities, poor communities, and at time have even given poor these video cameras to make film of their own lives. So even we come across certain films which are done by the poor people about their own lives. So this is how local media highlight their own issue. Because why this is done? Because the so-called national channels, they are not interested to show the local issues. Another example is newspaper called Khabar Lahariya. Khabar means news. Lahariya was fortnightly, that is run by 8 Dalit women in Chitrakoot district of Uttar Pradesh. So in the Chitrakoot district of Uttar Pradesh, a newspaper or fortnight is run by 8 Dalit women, written in the local language of Bundelkhandi, that is Bundeli. This 8-page news report on Dalit issues, case of violence against women and political corruption. So mainly highlights the issues related to women as well as corruption. Newspaper reaches to farmers, shopkeeper, panchayat members, school teachers, and women who recently learned to read and write. So, there are enough examples where even in the local areas, if you in your place also, the taluk level or district level, there may be some newspapers which are purely local news channels. It means they are highlighting only news related to the local interest. The working of the government. Media decide what to focus, and in this way it sets the agenda. So what is agenda is nothing but media sets the agenda. The government can at times prevent the media from publishing story, and this is called censorship. So what is called censorship means curtailing of those media which harm the social harmony. Nowadays, media's close relationship with business often mean that a balanced report is difficult to come up. So, media is very much associated with the business. So that's the reason why it's very rarely we get a balanced report about any particular event or incident. Given this, it is important for us to be aware that the factual information is nothing but what is the real information that a news report provides is often not complete and can be one-sided. So most of the time news may be definitely one-sided. We therefore need to analyze the news by asking the following questions. What is information I am learning from this report? What information is not being provided? From whose point of view this article is written? Whose point of view being let out and why? So when you read a newspaper, you should analyze about all these points. Is the media is partial, or is media is highlighting a certain political party, or is the media is giving a balanced report? So that's why it is always said that read all newspaper, watch news channels, but don't conclude that whatever report given in the news channel is correct. That we should not do it. Social advertising. Now, what is called social advertisement is nothing but awareness. You can see here a railway level crossing. Alertness is a key to safety. So here it is indirectly they are educating people that don't cross when the gate is on, because that is a railway crossing. Social advertisement refers to advertisement made by the government or private agency that have a larger message for society. The following is social advertisement regarding crossing of manned on unmanned level crossing. Manned means nothing but this is observed the control by a guard. Unmanned means unmanned level crossing where guards are not there on a permanent post. So this is called social advertising. So with this chapter is over. So we are studied various topics. So the name of chapter is Understanding Media. In understanding media, we study the meaning of electronic media and print media. And we also analyze that how technology had a deep impact in the media. How the printing press, the Gutenberg's printing press, how it was there in the initial days, and how the typewriting machine it become outdated, and today we are using modern laptops and other printing instruments. Then we also studied about a lot of money is involved in media. That is what media and money, because to set up a channel, also to set up anything, any recording channels and all, they require a lot of money. So money is involved in media. That is what we studied about media and money. A pic shown about how the TV channel works. Then we also studied about how media is powerful in a democratic form of government. In a democratic form of government, media is very powerful because media can create public opinion. So then we also studied about balanced report. Okay, with the example of two different type of report by the two different newspapers. So that is what we studied. Then we also studied about censorship. Censorship means a agency of the government to monitor what is published or what is screened. That is what agency. Then we also studied about how agenda is set by the medias. That is what we speak of setting of agenda. That means only certain important things are highlighted. Means media always highlight the things which they got their commercial value or the value, business value. They don't highlight the common man's problem. Generally, I am not talking every time, but in generally or largely they promote only those things which is got a lot of commercial interest, which we have seen how a fashion parade is highlighted. And we also studied about setting up of local media in Chitrakoot district of Uttar Pradesh. Now let us move to the question and answers of the chapter. In what ways does the media play an important role in democracy? Question number 1. Question number 2. Can you give this diagram a title? What do you understand about the link between media and big business from the diagram? You read about the ways in which the media sets the agenda. What kind of effect does this have in a democracy? Provides 2 examples to support your point of view. As a class project, decide to focus on a particular news topic and cut out stories from the different newspapers. On this, also watch the coverage of topics on the TV news. Compare 2 newspapers and write down the similarity and the difference of their report. It might help to ask the following questions. What information in this article providing? What information is it leaving out? From whose point of view this article being written? Whose point of view being left out and why? Meanings. Please write down the meaning. Publish. This refers to news report, articles, interview, stories, etc. that are printed in newspaper, magazine and books for a wide audience to read. Censorship. This refers to the powers that government has to disallow media from publishing, showing certain stories. Broadcast. In this chapter, this word is used to refer to a TV or a radio program that is widely transmitted. When a large number of people come together and openly state their opposition to some issues, organizing a rally, starting a signature campaign, blocking roads, etc., are some of the way in which this is done. That is what we speak about public protest. So public protest is nothing but protesting by general public related to any issues. Question number 1. In what ways does media play an important role in a democracy? Please write down the answer. Role of media played in a democracy. It is a backbone of or fourth pillar of a democracy, which makes us aware of social, political and economic activities. Second, it provides news and discussing events take place in a country and the world. Third, it gives people information about how government works. It also gives information about the election related to news and results. Next, it raises the issue or problems related to the common people in front of politicians. It also acts as a reminder for the politicians or ministers about their promises. Can you give this diagram a title? What do you understand about the link between media and a big business from this diagram? The title given to the diagram, Media and Business House Money Circle, from the diagram, we understood that there is a cyclic flow of money between media and a big business. Media shows news of interest of the people on radio and TV newspaper. Big business houses advertise their products through the media to attract the people. Media shows these advertisements by taking some charges and make profit. People buy these products of the big business and thus cost the advertisement along with some profit returned to them. Now see here. Okay, we check this one. Now see, the big business houses. Some news and advertise these products in the media. Media promotes through advertisements. People buy these products in the media, therefore it flows back a big business house. So what happened? It's a circle. It is a circle where big business house spend money for the advertisement, and the money which is spent on advertisement is charged along with the product that is sold to the customer, and from the customer when he purchased that, once again the profit goes back to the factory or that media. That is what cycle. Question number 3. You have read about the ways in which media sets agenda. What kind of effect does this have in a democracy? Provide 2 examples to support your point of view. Effects of the agenda in a democracy. It influences the thoughts, feelings and actions of the people. It brings attention of the people to the various issues of the people. Third, somehow it has influence in our life and in shaping our thoughts and thus sets the agenda. Second, 2 examples in support. The media drew our attention to alarming levels of pesticide in cola drink. They published the reports that indicated the high level of pesticide and thus made us aware of the need to regularly monitor these colas according to international quality of safety standards. It published the news of mass number of suicide committed by the farmers, which leads to large scale movement of people support and thus force the government to look further on the issues. Please write down the point. Question number 4. This is a project you have to do. A class projects decide to focus on a particular news topic and cut out stories from the different newspaper. Also watch coverage of the topics on the news. Compare two newspaper and write down similarity and difference in their report. It makes us what information this article is providing, what information is it leaving out, for whose point of view the article being written from, whose point of view being left out. So please do this activity yourself. Okay, so compare the topic from the two. For example, Indian Express, Hindu or Deccan Herald. Take the two newspaper and take the cutout, the newspaper cutting of same news report, means same incident reported by two different channels or two different newspapers. Then compare both. While comparing both, definitely you are able to conclude that the newspaper is highlighting on negative side or positive side of the particular incident, or the newspaper is giving a balanced report. Please, this is very important, because once you are able to analyze this, then definitely you may not, or you are able to segregate or separate the fake news or the false news. So with this we completed the chapter number 6, that is understanding media. Next class we will complete the chapter number, we will continue with chapter number 7. Please take care, write down on points. By mid or first or second week of December, I'll definitely ask you to post all the question and answers which are related to the chapter. So please keep it ready, so that when I ask, definitely you can post the pics to me. Thank you. Take care. Wish you a wonderful day. Thank you very much.